Hello everyone, and welcome to WeVideo JPEG tutorial number 2, adding flare. So I showed you in the last tutorial how to get all your images onto the work screen and into the timeline. So again, we want to add some more images. Just going to click on it, highlight it, bring it down. So now we're up to 3. Here's a nice picture of people riding up in the olden times. Okay, and here we have a nice one. Now if you just push play on the playhead, you have no control over how long the images are.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
So as you can tell, it's a really boring video. So what I would like you to do at this point, get out of this, you could magnify the timeline by going down here and bringing this over to the right a little bit, which stretches it out. So now what you can do is cut down the images or lengthen the images to go with the flow of the song if you want. So over here, this first one, let's go to the first beat of the song.
Bicycle, bicycle.
So at the second bicycle, I'm going to highlight this.
Bicycle.
Then I'm going to hit the scissor up here, which cuts this into 2 pieces. Then I'm going to delete the extra piece. And then I'm just going to move everything over, highlight, lasso everything, and bring it over. And now it's going to cut to the beat approximately.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
Okay, we're going to start that right before he says ah. So move this over a little bit. Cut this over here. And we're going to highlight this, delete, and then bring this over. And you could do that with all of the images to make it fit with the song. Let's go back a little, push play.
Bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle.
And then we want to cut this over here. So we just highlight this again. We hit the scissor. And we highlight this, delete, and bring these over. So that is how you make the images shorter. If you want to make them longer, just go over here, and you can make them longer this way. You can also make them shorter just by dragging the end piece, however you want to do it. There's multiple different ways of editing in WeVideo. You can make it really long, or you can make it really super short. Now what I want you guys to do, though, is to add transitions in between. So to do that, up here, there's a lot of different things you could do. So one of them is transitions. Click on the transitions key, and then crossfade is the easiest one to do, but play with all the rest of them. There's a lot of different transitions. And you just put this literally in between. Put another one in between, and you see now how much nicer it looks. Pushing play.
Bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to.
Now what I'd like you guys to do is add movement to it. So to add movement is a little more difficult, but it's not that hard. You're going to highlight the image, go to this first pencil thing here, open clip editor, click on that. Then you're going to go to, it gives you a whole bunch of different options. You're going to go to the second one, which is animation. And then there's a start and end point. In the start point, you could just grab this, and let's say we want to move this to the left. And we want to end it over here to the right. And then you do a preview, which is this button here, and it moves.
I want to ride my bicycle.
And then we say it looks good. So you do save changes. And now this is how it looks.
Bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
So let's say we want this one. I want to zoom in or out of the picture. So you can still go back to here. And I'm going to start off with scale. So I'm going to start off with this girl right over here. Then we're going to end it with the full picture. And again, preview is this button here. Looks good. Save changes. And here we go.
I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
And my recording is going to end in 5 seconds. So that's it for number 2.